This is your marketplace.
And this is a picture of me in Las Vegas driving a Ferrari.
Richard Jerome had a blast of a birthday this year.
And I was able to fly into the Grand Canyon on this helicopter.
Oh, my God, look at this.
And this is my birthday cake at Hell's Kitchen.
The icing on the cake, his trip was covered by a big refund on his credit card.
I was getting back $3,295.73. Oh, goodness, that's fantastic. So they said they're going to put it on a credit on my Visa card. Like I had $3,295 to spend in Vegas.
For years, Richard had been paying for services he didn't know about until he watched our story about credit card balance protection insurance.
I paid them almost $500.
$1,250.
Just over $6,000.
These guys told us their bank secretly added credit card insurance to their bills.
I didn't know about this insurance. I didn't ask for it.
They had put balance protection insurance onto my account without my permission.
I told them multiple times that I don't want this. And I found this whole situation very scummy.
So we sent in hidden cameras to see if banks explain it all or just sign you up.
Credit card protection, do you know anything about it? Because let's say you were using your card and you had $5,000 on it and you lost your job, like Scotiabank will pay off your credit card.
No, that's very misleading, actually.
This employee was a top seller at a big bank and gave us his insider take.
Balance protection is something that is a scam. It's just something to take clients' money.
In the future, maybe your work, you have family, your kids, you should buy some insurance to protect.
Have there been instances where employees of the bank have signed people up for this insurance without them knowing?
Yeah.
Why is that happening?
Sales pressure.
Over in Ottawa, Richard Jerome saw our story and called up his bank.
I said, I'd like to hear that recording, or I'd like to see that signature or cross-check that I wanted to go with this program.
But there was no proof. That's why he got that $3,200 credit.
Everybody I talked to, I let them know they should be checking into that. And that's what happened with my son.
Honestly, when I heard it happen to him, I thought, that's great, but it took me like a couple weeks to even move on it.
Well, I told him, like, Graham, you can look into this, check it out, see what's going on there.
Let's do it. That's the overpayment right there. It's $2,663.65. So the balance was zero, so I had the credit of the $2,600. So I went into BMO and I said, I'd like to withdraw this as cash.
That's right, he got back cash, which will come in handy when he and the dogs move out.
I'm saving up to buy a house soon, so hopefully in the spring, so that's a nice chunk towards a down payment on that.
The Jerome men were refunded about $6,000 in total.
He was frivolous and spent it on Vegas for his birthday, and I'm gonna, put it into a house.
And they'll keep spreading the word.
You kind of become a champion for this with everyone you know, right? Like you're this balance insurance refund evangelical telling everyone you work with.